Hi guys, if you're a foodie like me, for sure na-thrill ka rin with the recent Michelin star announcements in the Philippines. And yes, foodie ako, hindi lang talaga halata. Pero let's qualify that ha, hindi ako malaki kumain, obvious naman. Ay mga nagtatanong, babubusog ka naman talaga because of the number of dishes that they actually serve you. Yung tipong maliit pero buhos sa flavor. Thankfully, may ilan na tayong na-try. First on the list that we've tried is the 1-star Gallery by Shell. Ang ganda ng experience and seriously sobrang sarap. For 2 people, the bill was around 12,000. Then yung mga recommended restos like 1210, Antonio's, sarap din naman talaga. For 2 people, it could actually range to about 18,000 for 2 as well. Syempre may mga kasama na yung drinks, hindi lamang yung food. Pero for me, one that really deserves a 1-star, I guess, is Yamazato. Why? Because when I've tasted their omakase, sobrang sarap and sobrang daming dish. Busog na busog talaga ako. More to that, the bill of their omakase is around 25,000 to 30,000 pesos for 2, including some drinks. But let me tell you, every bite is an experience. So, kung foodie ka rin, maybe it's time to explore, taste, and appreciate because honestly, worth trying naman talaga.